A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Let's learn about colors. Red color, green color, Rama color, silver color, light pink color, sky color, orange color, black color, blue color, pink color, brown color, violet color, yellow color. I am using red color. Which color, kids? This is red color. I am using pink color. Which color, kids? This is pink color. I am using light green color. Which color, kids? This is light green color. I am using Rama color. Which color, kids? This is Rama color. I am using sky color.